Well, farmers camping at Delhi's Singhu and Tikri borders will be carrying out a victory march today as they return to their villages in Punjab and Haryana, ending a 15-month agitation that forced the centre to withdraw the three contentious farm laws. Akshay Dongre joins us with the very latest. Akshay, you've been covering this protest for the course of these last 15 months. As farmers have been telling NDTV, it is bittersweet, the end of this protest. While they're celebrating this as a victory, there's also mixed emotions over the fact that they lost so many of their own.
Well, yes, Rishika, and before we speak to the farmers, first of all, I would like to show our viewers that what exactly is the situation at the borders of Delhi. So there have been elaborate security arrangements ever since the incident of 26 January happened this year. You can see this is the border of the national capital, and barely 100 meters from here is the Singhu border where the farmers are camped. But now, since the farmers have announced that they will be now moving back to Punjab, to Haryana and to other parts of the country from where they came, the Delhi police has also started to bring cranes and other equipment to start removing the barricades that were put up. A lot of elaborate security arrangements were done. You can see these are the concrete blocks that were placed here with the concertina wires. These are rods, metallic rods that were placed here. Several police barricades, hundreds of police personnel used to come here every day. But it seems that now the process to remove all of these barricades will also start. Just a few days back, when the farmers' protest completed 1 year, security was further beefed up, but that has been now removed. The trucks that were brought here loaded with sand were placed here to increase the security arrangements, but those trucks have also been moved now, and now cranes are being brought in to remove the security arrangements, to remove the barricades that are here. The farmers, after 380 days of agitation at the borders of the national capital, are now starting to gather at the KMP Expressway, and now after a few ceremonies, after a few events, the farmers will start their march back to Punjab, Haryana and different parts of the country at around 11 AM. So yes, over 700 farmers, according to the farmers groups, have lost their lives during this agitation, during the entire agitation, be it in Punjab or at the borders of the national capital. So the farmers have been demanding compensation for them. The farmers have been demanding withdrawal of cases. But now it seems that finally, after over a year of agitation, there has been certain compromise that has been made between the farmers and the government of India. And finally, there is a peaceful solution to this ongoing stir, which took over a year for the government to roll back the farm laws.
All right, thanks Akshay for joining us with that update. In fact, Rakesh Tikait is speaking. Let's dip in and listen in.
मीटिंग यहाँ पे हो जाएगी और कल के बाद में आज पैकिंग हो जाएगी। कल सुबह ही 8 बजे यहाँ से बड़ा जत्था निकलेगा, तो उसमें ये है कि काफी संख्या में लोग उसमें निकल जाएंगे।
आज की मीटिंग में किस तरह की क्या बातचीत होगी?
अपनी सब बातचीत रखेंगे, अपना हवन वगैरह करेंगे, अरदास करेंगे, और जो लोग सहयोग दिया उन लोगों से मिलेंगे, सब लोगों से एक और रखा।
और इसके बाद आगे किस तरह से वो महापंचायत और
वो अभी नहीं, उसमें जब टाइम आएगा तो उसमें करेंगे, फिर अभी नहीं,
अभी कुछ नहीं, अभी वापसी होगी,
वापसी होगा। हाँ, अपने घरों पर जान दो।
जश्न और विदाई समारोह